Sky News Weather, we've been talking about the heat wave building across the country for some time, and today it is spreading into much of South Australia, Victoria, and also parts of Tasmania as well, as it continues through New South Wales and Western Australia. Now, this heat wave does look pretty significant in the fact that it is going to be just a little bit hotter than the previous heat waves we've seen over the southeastern inland. Some areas, such as far southern Victoria, won't be quite as hot, but the nights look to be warmer than in the previous heat waves. And notice for New South Wales, the eastern inland is expecting an extreme heat wave. That is the highest threshold of heat wave that we can see. Meanwhile, through a large portion of the country, we're seeing a severe heat wave, the second highest threshold. That is continuing over northern and eastern parts of Western Australia. This is the heat for today. You can see it spreading across the region. Anywhere shaded in red is looking at temperatures above 40 degrees, whilst that darker shading of red is looking at 45 degrees plus. And that tomorrow will spread down to northern parts of Victoria and through northern parts of South Australia as well. Into Wednesday, the heat will start to drift a little bit further eastward, particularly through southern New South Wales. And then into Thursday, that's when a cool change will make itself kind of felt across Victoria. We'll see a westerly change coming through, dropping temperatures about 5 degrees for many areas. But that is still well above the average for this time of year. We're still seeing temperatures soaring into the mid-30s across much of Victoria, especially over the inland. And we'll see a few showers coming through and a bit more cloud cover as well. Into Friday, heat lingers on pretty much where it was, except in South Australia. Notice southwesterly winds starting to push on through. That's with the cool change making itself felt across the state and also through Tasmania. Notice the temperatures just dropping down, that blue shading indicating temperatures near 20 degrees. Into Saturday, the cool change sweeps across much of the southeast. We'll see dangerous fire weather with this change as well, right across southeastern Australia. That's the peak of the dangerous fire weather. And you can see it's still very hot across northern New South Wales and southern parts of Queensland on Saturday. Now, in terms of an example of the extreme heat wave we are expecting, let's have a look in the Hunter Valley. So in Cessnock, we're only seeing 34 degrees as the forecast for today, but it will increase rapidly into the week. Wednesday through to Saturday, temperatures expected to reach above 40 degrees, and nighttime temperatures are going to stay above 20 degrees as well. This is an inland location. You would typically see the temperature dropping a bit further during the night, but Saturday morning, 24 degrees. It's going to be extremely uncomfortable, and it's going to be very difficult for people to cool their homes during this heat wave.